Hey guys, Jared here. Just a quick little video. I got some neat things to show you real quick. I got this, my reflective jacket, that I got for Christmas a few weeks ago. Hopefully I can use this when I go back to the fire service. Speaking of fire service, I have something really neat coming to this. It's currently being made right now, so I'm gonna have a video of it coming really soon. Besides that, I still need to test this thing here. I got a mug, a 72nd annual 4-county fireman's parade in Catasauqua. I really cannot see the date there, but just a few neat things to add. Oh, and by the way, I did mention this to someone on YouTube, that I recently picked up a Station 33, not Woodlawn, Handmade Co. mug. This was for $8 at an antique store, and it's, try not to make any noise without waking my parents. This is a, this is 3311, and on the back of it is the 1981 building dedication mug. So, I do apologize for not posting. I've just been really burned out. I've been coming up with new video ideas. Yeah, well, you know what? I'm just gonna tell you in my next video. In that case, check this out.